We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 1968 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds, one of 515 produced, rotisserie frame-off restoration to the highest level. Everything on the vehicle works. Just absolutely stunning. ZZ paint code. Just an amazing car. Very collectible. Very few come up for sale, especially in this condition. Just a high level frame off restoration. Attention to detail. Love this car. 455. .390 horse, tons of foot-pound torque, correct wheels on here, Goodyear polyglass, I believe it's a 5/8 inch white wall on it. Just nice. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. You'll find probably close to 100, maybe a little more pictures of this car at www.westportautocenter.com. All the chrome on the rear window, corner window, I mean, very nice. Dash, hood grills. Just a super nice car. Look at the lines on the trim on the windshield. Little trip rails are fantastic. Was a little chip right here. It's been touched up. I mean, a minute one right there. Package tray looks fantastic. Little chip right there that's been touched up. And that's on the pinstripe there. But all the chrome trim bright work is just nice on the car. The car will be professionally ceramic coated. We do a paint correction on every vehicle we get. All the vehicles from people having car covers, touching, etc. You get minute scratches in the clear coat. That will all be addressed, and then professional application of ceramic will be applied. But just a super nice car. Drip rail on this one. Matching spare tire. We haven't had, I've just wiped this car down. We just got it in out of California. This car is, I believe it was a 4 or 5 time national first place winner for the Oldsmobile Club of America. Have the original owner's manual and some stuff with the car as well. But just a nice car. Again, everything on the car works. One thing that right now, the gas gauge, when you turn it on, it goes right to pegs full plus a little bit. Probably just a ground issue, but we will address that. But just like I said, the attention to detail, super nice car. Glove box light working on it. Hurst gated shifter. The dash is just nice condition. you'd like to fly in and check this car out in person, just forward us your flight itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up. Lambert International, St. Louis International, they are one and the same airport. Rubber seals are still fantastic on the car. Underneath of this car is just absolutely gorgeous. Jack tire iron matching spare. Goodyear G70 14 polyglass tire, which is correct for this car. Just love this car. There's a little touch up right there. I'm just pointing out some very minute things, but that's what we do. All cars have flaws. Brand new ones have flaws, put together by humans. So just pointing out what I find. Just a really nice car. Take this for a ride. It's showing 64,014 miles. The tick-tock, that is one thing I forgot to tell you. The clock is not working. The tach is working, but the clock is not working right now. Radio does work, lights, blower motor, etc. Everything, all that is working. Spin. Trying to open my vent window here. Get a little air blown on me. Again, fly into St. Louis International, Lambert. We have 3 warehouses with vehicles here. More than happy to take it out for a spin, put it up on the lift, make sure this is a good fit for you. We do have financing. Amazing financing rates right now, great terms. So you don't have to have all the money to buy any of these cars. You obviously got to have some sort of a down payment, but the rest can be worked out with financing. There's good oil pressure, and there's the fuel gauge I was telling you about that's pegged. So key buzzer works on this bad boy as well. Just a fun driving, excellent running car. Car will get up and go. Again, all these pictures you can find at www.westportautocenter.com. We'll pick up the phone, talk to somebody. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'll be able to answer any questions that you have. Again, we can arrange transportation anywhere in the world, so that's nothing to overcome. A lot of these rates out of the country are a lot cheaper than you would think to have the car shipped to your country. And pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Again, you'll find these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video. Feedback, comments below. Help us grow the channel. www.westportautocenter.com. Have a great weekend.